Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create a simple yard sign using Canva. And the best thing about that is that even if you have a photo of a yard sign but you want to change the text, Canva has a new feature that allows you to modify or grab the text so you could modify the text later. So this is actually a picture of a yard sign that actually has a different text, but I'm just using an AI feature in Canva to change the text of the picture, and also you can modify the text later on. So to get started, I'm going to add a new page and go to Elements, search for yard sign. There are so many photos of yard sign. Navigate to the photo section, and here you will find a lot of options. I think I'm going to select this one, and let me increase the size of this photo. Okay, now as you can see, this is actually an image, and there is no way for me to edit the text instantly. This is not a regular text box. So what you need to do now is you have to click on the image, click edit image, and click grab text. This is a new feature that lets you grab the text from an image, and then you can modify the text later. So I'm going to, let's say, click on this one and click grab. Now the AI will try to recognize the text and eventually will allow you to modify the text to whatever content that you want. The process will take maybe 10-20 seconds. Okay, maybe it's not perfect. I can see there is some residual here, but if you're not happy with the result, you can always repeat the process again. So I'm going to change the text to for lease, not for sale, and increase the size. And from afar, you probably cannot tell the difference between before and after. It's very close to an actual picture. And of course, you can do the same for this text. If you want to, click edit image, click grab text again, and later you can click a different part of the image. So I'm going to click this one. Just wait until it finishes. Right, now let's change the text again. Okay, as simple as that. So this is the picture that we got. This is something that was different than the original picture. This is the original picture, and this is the one that we just added. So yeah, that's the benefit of using Canva, because now we have AI features to modify text from an image. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.